Hi everyone, thanks for watching. It's another day in the life of window cleaner. Dream team is me and Matthew as normal. And what have we got? Well, today's like what we call a gutter clear. So we're going to a house now. It's a customer of mine. It's one of their sons. It sounds like he's had a renovation done. So it's going to be pretty much first clean on the windows. Don't know how bad they are. Find out when I get there. There's going to be a gutter clear and fascia soffits and gutters. We've got another two customers, which are going to be fascia soffits and gutters and window cleans. And then we've got one which is just a window clean only. So that's what we've got today. Sun's gone out, my shorts are on, and I can feel the chill. Follow along and see how we do. Right, we've arrived at the first job and things didn't look right or make sense. Basically, it's a house and it's being renovated. There was two builders' vans parked, one on the drive, one on the road, and there's a car. It's a very small like cul-de-sac, so there's a lot of cars parked around the road. So wherever I parked, I was basically blocking the road, so I've had to park away from the house. But I said to Matthew, let's go and have a look, because obviously I thought with all the builders there, it just doesn't make sense. And then the guy said it doesn't make sense to me. The customer's actually away on holiday, because he said in 3 weeks time, he said I'm taking the windows out and putting new windows in and putting new guttering up. So I agreed with him, doesn't make sense. We left the message, he's left a message with the guy, and I'm just going to explain, like, just come back when it's all done and the newer stuff's put in, have a look, and whatever needs cleaning, I'll clean it. This was organised a while ago, so no plan does it survive contact, as they say. So I reckon things have just gone a bit skew with. So I've told my missus, she agrees, we'll leave it. We'll just get in touch, like I said, leave a message and then see what happens. So that's that one done. Luckily, I got enough work in the month, so it's not like something I was relying on. So it looks like an easier day. So we're going to move on to the next one now, which is in Wiz Beach where we are. It's going to be fascia soffits and gutters, upper and lower, and the gable ends. And we'll probably have to whiz over the windows where we've got them wet. It's a regular customer, so it should be a good one. Won't take too long. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Right, it's that one done. It was fascia soffits and gutters, including the gable ends. It was a bit tight on the sides of the house. Matthew did the front and one side. I did the back and another side of the house. Both sides we're working on are quite narrow. It's just I also had the bit where they put all the bikes and barbecues down there, so it's a bit tight. But I just wanted to talk about Rutex Designs, a drip stop. There's a good little thing that I've gone and brought off them. Brilliant. It just fits on your gooseneck and it does stop the water from running down your pole, going down your armpit and running down your back and all that kind of stuff. Since I put it on there, it's definitely done a massive effect of preventing water running down my arms. Obviously water does drip straight down. If you're right underneath it, you're going to get wet, and if it works its way on the pole, it is going to run down there, but it's definitely made a big difference. Anyway, on with the next clean. Well, that's it. It's just gone 2:30. That's me and Matthew finished for the day, mainly because we had that first job ended up being a no-go, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Weather-wise, it's definitely got cooler compared to last week. It's tried to rain a couple of times this afternoon, hence why I've got my jacket on, plus it's trying to keep me a bit warmer. Still got my summer routine kit on, but I think next week it's going to get warmer anyway. But yeah, that's a days of fascia, soffits and gutters. Didn't get to do a gutter clear in the end and a window clean. So you probably noticed when I do my fascia, soffits and gutters, because I use a swivel gooseneck, I try and have, instead of having like a 45-degree bend, I have it basically vertical. So that way, using my brush, I can clean all sides of the gutters, the fascias and the soffits without keep changing the angle adapter or the gooseneck. Some people don't like it, some people like it. I like the swivel gooseneck and I use it to my advantage best I can. It doesn't always work out that way, but it's pros and cons to everything. And what I like to do is wet the area I'm going to clean first, and I go bracket to bracket because I'm dipping it into Synergy or whatever TFI you like to use, but I'm using Synergy. I really like that stuff. And I'm basically straight on applying it, scrubbing it in, and then I just simply turn my water on, clean it off. And obviously, as you probably, those who follow the channel, I love this muck off brush. That's what I use to get in all the nooks and crannies that my brush from the waterfed pole can't get into. Obviously I only do it on all the lower stuff, and I use a small little ladder that I stand on just to make sure I reach these places. Reference all the upper stuff, just have to do the best I can. But that's basically how I do it. And yeah, I like the finish, I like going the extra mile, and that way I know when the customer has a look, especially when they're just doing stuff around the garden, they look up, stuff catches their eye, it just looks like I've done a really good job. Anyway, that's me done, finished. And yeah, early finish because we didn't get to do that job, but I take me early finishes when I can because there's plenty of other times it goes the other way. And anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, it helps me out, all the good stuff. And YouTube will stick another video for you to watch next. See you on the next one. Stay safe.